Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to book hotels on Expedia. So let's get this started. So the first step is to go to Expedia website. Alright, so once you're on this website, just click on stays and let's search for a destination. So let's go over here and select your departure date. Alright, so now select the numbers of travelers. I'm just going to select one, and now let's search for any hotels. And here you can see the various numbers of hotels, and you can see their prices and their reviews as well. Just select one that fits in your budget and the reviews. Okay, I'm just going to select this one. Here you can see the information about the hotel, the location. Okay, now all you have to do is click on reserve a room, and so I'm just going to reserve this room over here. Alright, so over here now you have to fill in your information, enter your mobile number, your first name, last name, the traveler's name, and then here enter your payment method. And after that, all you have to do is click on complete booking and your hotel will be booked. So that is how you can book a hotel by Expedia. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.